Okay, this is A2Pure. We're in Unit 2 Trigonometry and we're solving trig equations. We've just learned a few new of the trig identities with tan and sec and with cot and cosec, so we're using those to rearrange in and solve. So one of the ones that we know is that 1 plus cot squared equals cosec squared. So I can change my cosec squared here, so everything then is in terms of cot. So as I said, 1 plus cot squared is cosec squared, so I can then write 1 plus cot squared theta equals 3. Sorry, it's cot x, isn't it? Cot x, take away 1. So we'll change that then to x. Rearranging this is clearly a quadratic then, so we're going to have cot squared x. It is x, isn't it? Yes. Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought here. Minus 3. I've been put off, and then this is kind of making me mess everything up. And then taking this over to this side as well gives me a 2. So plus 2 equals 0. So what do we have then? I'm sure we can factorize that. I think it's straightforward enough. So we're going to have cot x minus 1 equals 0, or cot x minus 2 equals 0. That gives us cot x is 1, and this one gives us cot x equals 2. So that means tan x is 1 over 1, which is going to be 1, and then tan x equals to a half. So tan x equals to 1 is one I think kind of most of us know, so we should be okay with that. Let's get our cast diagrams drawn here and see how we get on. Tan is 1, we're between 0 and 360, so we're in degrees here. C, A, S, and T. And if you do shift tan there, we get x is 45 degrees, which is our basic angle. So that's 45. Between 0 and 360, we're going this way. The other place tan is positive is going to be here. So we'd have that. So the two solutions that come out of this one then are of course going to be 45 degrees and 225 degrees. Cast diagram then for this one. So tan x equals a half. Let's see if I can get this to work. Shift tan 0.5. And that looks to me like it's in radians. Sorry, I'll be right with you. 2 degrees. So tan to minus 1.5 equals, that looks more like 26.6 degrees. So our basic angle here is going to be 26.6 degrees with x is 26.6 degrees. The other place, again, you can see from the other diagram, because they're both positive, we have that. So the other place we're going to be dealing with is 180 plus 26.6 degrees. So 26, you see that there, yeah, 26.6 degrees. And then 180 plus 26, so that's going to be 206.6 degrees. So those are our 4 different possible answers, and for x, let's just write them out then all as one. So x is equal to 26.6 degrees, 45 degrees, 207 degrees if we're going 3 significant figures, and then 225 degrees.